Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this really awesome stainless steel mixing bowl set that comes with lids. So these are truly magnificent. Now you get 4 different mixing bowls and then you do get this large strainer as well. And this does have the little feet on the bottom to help keep it elevated, whether you're using that in your sink and you need the liquid to drain away, or if you want to put it inside of your large mixing bowl to let it soak, then you can simply strain it by pulling this one out and then rinse your fruits or vegetables or what have you. So this comes with a 1.5 quart size bowl. All of them have this silicone bottom that's going to give it a lot of grip on your surface. So if you're mixing or handling the bowl, it's not going to easily tip over or slide around on you. So I absolutely love having this on any kind of mixing bowl that I'm using. I find it so handy. And they all have this little measurement guide on the inside. So if you do need specific quantities of things, you can easily use these to help measure as well. You also get these really nice lids, and these can be pushed down to create an airtight seal. So if you want to store these away in your fridge, that is a perfect use of this item. Next is the 2 quart size bowl. All of the same wonderful details. Then you have this 2.5 quart and the 4 quart where your large strainer can sit inside. And that gives just the right amount of space for all of the water to drain whenever you pull your strainer out. I absolutely love using this to rinse my fruits and vegetables in and find it super simple and easy to do, especially with the 4 quart mixing bowl below it. And just this whole set is so handy, whether you are baking and mixing things or if you just need somewhere to store items. If you're hosting, this is a really awesome option as well. So if you guys were looking for a phenomenal mixing bowl set, I would definitely give these a try.